Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So my friend, have you ever said that I understand English but I don't have enough words to speak? If yes, then you are not alone. Many English learners know grammar but they struggle because of a small vocabulary. So the good news is you don't need to memorize thousands of words. You are just need the right method. So today in this video, I will share 7 easy methods to improve your English vocabulary. So let's begin. So method number 1, learn only 5 new words every day. Don't try to learn 50, 100 words in one time. That's the biggest mistake. Instead, learn only 5 useful words every day. So in a month, 5 into 30, it will be 150 new words. So that is a big improvement. Now method number 2. Use every new word in a sentence. Never memorize word alone. Always make a sentence. Use that word into the sentence. For example, word amazing. So here is a sentence. This movie is amazing. Okay, like a word borrow. Sentence. Can I borrow your pen? So when you use word, you remember that words for a long time. So method number 3, level things around you. Means put small paper level on objects. Like write door, window, mirror, chair, bat, bottle. Okay. Every time you see them. Okay. So you will remember the words naturally. Method number 4, read simple English every day. Read easy English book. Don't read difficult word, okay? Read short story, read news for beginners, and read English caption on social media, a short video, okay? Reading teaches vocabulary in a real situation. Method number 5, listen carefully. Watch short English video on YouTube channel. Listen to podcast. When you hear a new words, pause there, write it down, find the meaning of that word. Then you use it in your own sentence, you make own sentence. Method number 6, keep a vocabulary notebook. Carry a small notebook always in your pocket. Whenever you learn a new word, write down that word in your small notebook. Okay, the words, its meaning, okay, and also example and sentence. Revise your notebook every Sunday, you can say every Saturday. The revision is the key to remembering words. Now method number 7, use new words while speaking. This is most important step. If you don't use new words, you will forget them. Okay, so it's very important to use new word in your sentence. So challenge yourself every day. Use at least 5 new words while speaking English. Practice makes vocabulary permanent. Okay, you can make anything, any type of sentence, but use that word in sentence. So vocabulary doesn't grow in one day. It grows one word at a one time. So from today, learn 5 new words, make sentence, read every day that words, listen carefully, okay, keep a note, revise weekly, use new words while speaking. If you follow these habits for just 30 days, you will notice a huge improvement in your speaking. So if you enjoy this video, if you like this video, if you like these 7 methods, then please like, share and follow. And also write in comment that I will definitely learn 5 new words in a day. Okay? Now, if you want new vocabulary words, want to learn new vocabulary words, then you can see in my video. In my video, I have also made some new advanced English vocabulary words. Okay, and every day I upload one video or two video of vocabulary. One vocabulary word, like one word, complete English family. Like one word, okay? One word like refrain. Yeah, you can say one word like anything, okay? So that word as a verb, I also uh, teach that word as a verb, noun, adjective, and the synonym of the word. So use and learn word like this: verb, noun, adjective. How you can use that word as a noun, as an adjective, and as a verb. Make a one sentence. That is very easy method. So I hope you understood what I was saying. So now I'm going to end this video, and I hope you like this video, and please like, share, and follow, and keep learning.